Have you ever wondered what is common between three wise men, three little pigs, three blind mice, three musketeers, three idiots, and three stooges? Yes, the number three. Why the three act structure is so dominant in our life? Why three bullet points are more effective than two or four? The rule of three works great with human brain, and somehow due to the presence of concise, memorable patterns, and let me tell you, it's diverse. Let me tell you how we have been listening to some of the most popular things in cluster of three, and they are past, present, and future. Government of the people, by the people, for the people. Blood, sweat, and tears. Location, location, location. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Faith, hope, and charity. Mind, body, and spirit. Stop, look, and listen. I came, I saw, I conquered. Make in India. Before, during, and after. And I can go on and on and on. But the question is why? Because information presented in groups of three sticks in our brain better than anything else. But even if that wasn't the case, the number three has been used so widely throughout some of the most memorable works of our childhood. It's likely that we are preconditioned to respond favorably to the elements grouped in three. So if you are keen to master communication skills, you must watch this video till the end. My name is Zubair Khan, and if you like this video, do share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the words of Jim Rohn, effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. The secret of effective communication is power of three. We find things easier to follow when we can break it down and remember three key things. In Olympics and other sporting events, the top three wins, gold, silver, and bronze. There is no medal for fourth, fifth, or beyond. In so many contests, people stop counting after the third place. The human brain either does not care or does not remember who is beyond third. When forecasting sales and other measures of a business, we often look at three levels: optimistic, average, and pessimistic. In probability theory, we look at high, medium, low. When categorizing sales lead, we break them into three levels: hot, warm, and cold, or high, medium, and low. The English language recognizes the power of three in the ordering of things. The brain is best able to recognize who is first. Just about everyone remembers the first man on the moon, Neil Armstrong. Being first to a brand position is a big advantage in the marketing. But some remember the second man on the moon, Buzz Aldrin. Fewer may remember the third astronaut to walk on the moon, Charles Conrad. Nobody other than perhaps the close relatives remember the fourth man on moon, Alan Bean. The English language assigns greater importance to the first three by giving them unique endings, first, second, third, as they end with ST, ND, RD. For numbers that follow after that, they have the same ending, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on and so forth. They all end with TH. Our brains evolved in a way to protect us from harm as part of our protection system. We like to have choices. We know that if we don't have a choice in a dangerous situation, we may not find a way out of it. On the other hand, our brain also knows that if we have too many choices, we often get confused. If we are confused, we may take a wrong decision and opt for a wrong choice, which could cause us a serious harm. This means that the brain likes to have choices, but not too many choices. Economists will tell you that consumers prefer oligopolies. All good brands make the buying decision for the customers easy by giving them structured choices, and they are generally three. For example, the highest selling car brand in India, Maruti Suzuki, has three variants for most of its models: LXI, VXI, ZXI, or LDI, VDI, ZDI. So whenever you are asked to give an opinion, thought, or ideas, try giving them using the power of 3 and give your top points as the first 3 points. Power of 3 is a proven technique to put forward your points effectively. Do leave your comments in the comment section and let me know your experience of using power of 3.